Ever wondered why some cars look instantly beautiful while others not so much? The secret lies in something car designers call as the PSD framework, or the proportion, surface, detail. Let's break it down. Proportion, by dictionary meaning, is the relationship between parts of something. In a car, it's about the balance of wheels, body, cabin, and so on. A sports car has a long hood and a low roofline. An SUV has a tall stance and large cabin space. These proportions aren't random. They come from years of engineering, function, and tradition in car design. And here's the key: if your proportions are wrong, no amount of fancy surfacing or details can save the design. Proportion is the foundation of a good car design. Number two, surface. Once proportion is set, designers sculpt the body. Surfaces design how light flows across the car: smooth, sharp, muscular, or fluid. Think of surfaces as the skin stretched over the proportions. This is where the character of the vehicle emerges. Finally, detail. Once the big picture is complete, we add the jewelry. The headlights, the tail lights, the grills, the little details, logos, and all that. These details complete the story of design. But remember, details can only shine if the surfaces and proportions underneath are strong. So, PSD is like the pyramid of car design. Proportions first, then comes surfacing, and finally details. This is how car designers create vehicles that are timeless and well balanced. So, next time when you see a car, try decoding the PSD of that particular vehicle, especially from the side view. If you are exploring design, remember, always get the proportions right so that the surfacing and detail can add value over your great proportions. And that is a real designer's secret.